Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my videos. Today's video, I'm going to show you my skincare routine. This video is very different for me. It's actually the first skincare routine I ever make. And also, just to let you in on a little secret, I suck at skincare routines. I've never really had one. I don't really wear makeup and I don't really break out that much, so my skin is very sensitive. I have rosacea, but I manage it pretty well with my vegan diet. So I don't really wear that much makeup. I don't really know how to do my own makeup. I don't even own that much makeup to begin with. So I'm gonna try to do this for you because a few people have asked me what I use on my skin, and so I'm going to show you what I use. It's super simple, and I'm sorry if you expect something crazy. Totally not. I'm a very simple person and I'm okay with the minimal. So for about a month and a half now, I've been using this little kit, and this kit is from First Aid Beauty. And the kit comes with a face cleanser, some toning pads, and moisturizer. So I'm going to show you. I just opened it. I just bought a new one today, so that's why I decided to show you. When I first got it, I wasn't sure if I liked it or if my skin was going to react well with it because I have dry, sensitive skin, but my skin has reacted very well to it, and I'm actually really happy with this brand. So I decided to purchase this again. So this is what it looks like, the cleanser. This is the cream. They're the same size. And this is what the little pads look like. And I'm just gonna open it to show you how it looks. See, brand new. So I just washed my face using the face cleanser, and I couldn't show you guys when I did that because my bathroom is really small and I was not gonna make a mess and do the whole commercial face washing thing. So I washed my face. This is me without any makeup on, barefaced. My skin is not that bad. I have like a little breakout right here, but that's okay. It's probably hormonal because I just went through my time of the month. So yeah, that's my skin. So after I washed my face, I'm gonna use my little pad, and I'm just gonna grab one. So guys, I am not a beauty guru, so if I do this wrong, please forgive me. So I'm just gonna do this under my eyes, upwards. I am not a beauty guru. So for all you makeup lovers and beauty experts, don't come for me because this is not my area of specialty. But even though the pads look really small and thin, they have a lot of product on, and that's what I really like about them. Like, you don't really need a lot to feel it working. So I just used the cleanser and the pads, and now I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm going to use, I just got this too. This is my first time actually trying the Tarte Deep Sea Collagen, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Sea Collagen Super Serum. That's a mouthful, but okay. So I'm gonna, this is what it looks like. Now, I am a total sucker for Tarte because I just love their packaging. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and so is this baby blue teal color. So anytime I see any other products I just always want to get it, even if I don't know how to use it or what to do with it. I just love the way that Tarte does their packaging. So I read that you're supposed to shake it well to mix both products, because it's like 2 different oils in here. So this is what it looks like. And the reason I wanted to get this is because collagen is really good for your skin. It helps with elasticity. It helps to keep your skin looking tight, young. It helps with wrinkles. It's also like really good for like brightening your skin and just keeping your skin really healthy. I'm only 23, but I want to start taking care of my skin now so that later on I don't have to worry about anything and I can still look like this. And I'm just gonna put it on my face. This feels really nice on my skin because, like I said, I have really dry skin, so the oil feels very moisturizing and it's not too heavy, you know, like it feels really nice. It's like a nice lightweight formula. Wow. And it smells really nice too. And this is actually my first time using this collagen, or any collagen for that matter. But like I said, the packaging is really cute and I just love Tarte, and I've used some of their products before, like their lipstick, their foundation, and I'm a huge fan. So I decided to give this a try. And the First Aid Beauty products I've used before. I've only been using them for a month and a half, and this is the second time I buy this little kit. And I only got it for like 30 bucks, so that wasn't really bad. It lasts a while. I really like that because you don't need a lot of the product. So we're gonna wait for that to dry up, really let my skin absorb it before I put my moisturizer. And I also decided to try this lip balm from Drunk Elephant. First time also trying this lip balm. I usually stick to Blistex, but it's been really cold lately that not even the Blistex can do the job anymore. My lips get really dry and they've been really cracked, and nobody likes crusty lips, so I wanted to try something different. I looked online and this Drunk Elephant lip balm had really nice reviews. It's really small. I thought it would be a little bit bigger. I'm gonna test this out and hopefully I like it and hopefully it works for me because my lips have been so dry lately. Wow. I really like how this feels on my lips. Super soft and really hydrating. Like I just put it on and my lips feel so moisturized. And for the last step, I'm gonna use my Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty, and this is my moisturizer. This will be the last step in my skincare routine. Like I said, I like to keep it really simple. I don't know much. I'm really new to this whole skin routine and makeup thing, so it's really nothing crazy. That's all I grabbed, and that's enough for literally my whole face. Naked man. There's a naked man walking behind the camera. Alright guys, so that is my skincare routine. Really simple. Face wash, toning pads, collagen serum, and a moisturizer, and of course a lip balm, because if you're in New York or anywhere that's really cold right now, you know that your lips are super crusty, so you don't want that, and I definitely don't like that. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. What the fuck?
I thought you finished.
Baby, I'm not done. My
I thought
God.
you said subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.